Hello everybody and welcome to Cars at 100. My name is Leo and let's talk about everything automotive. So we have a very interesting act of performance by Aston Martin. Aston Martin Dbs Superleggera just came out recently. This car is a Super GT. Now that class of vehicles is also populated by 812 Superfast by Ferrari, so they compete right now. These cars are Super GT cars. Now they are everyday cars, but for those who want to travel, and the GT is Grand Touring abbreviation. Now this is a 710 plus horsepower car with 660 plus pound-feet of torque. This car accelerates 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds to be exact. It's probably gonna be 3.2 3.3 seconds. In my opinion, it's gonna be really fast. It's rear wheel drive, also has V12 up front with a 5.2 liter engine that produces 710 plus horsepower. Now this engine has been with Aston Martin for a long time, and Aston Martin, I am happy that they are sticking with the V12 still. Now in terms of the mile per hour, expect this car to be very fast and have 210 plus mile per hour. So this car can reach more than 210 miles per hour. That's really interesting and really nice. Also, what's interesting about this car is how this car brings back the name DBS, as we all know from the 007 DBS that was released with Casino Royale back in the day. This car was incredibly good looking, and finally Aston Martin is bringing back that sexy look. This car is something that Aston Martin should have been from the very beginning in terms of the design of the Super GT. Now I'm a big fan of this, as you can tell, of this car exactly, but what this will also pave the way into the AMR that was released recently with DB11 that had more than 620 horsepower. In my opinion, this car is something that Aston Martin needed, and in terms of the look, there is no shortage there. So the only thing that is interesting to see right now in terms of this car is how does this car behave on the road, and what does this car has to offer in terms of the technology of the car and how it behaves on the road. Let me know what you think about this brand new Aston Martin DBS Superleggera, and see you next time guys. Stay loving cars.